Kokomi expresses dissatisfaction with Home Minister Amit Saha's assurance on protection of Manipur's integrity. MPCC criticizes state government and its leaders of lacking proper coordination, leading to confusion for public. Manipur observed National Constitution Day. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar urges all to be fully aware of the Indian Constitution. And Sahitya Thaupanglub Imphal kicks off a 3-day 7th Imphal Literature Festival at Hindi Parisad Hall, Old Assembly Road. Sambanduram presenting you the primetime English news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. 18-membered team of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, led by Kokomi Coordinator Sunil Karam, held one-hour meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Saha and other central leaders last night from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Chief Minister Nongthoman Birain, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, MLA L. Rameshwar, MLA T.S. Satyavarta also attended the meeting. Kokomi Coordinator Sunil Karam submitted a memorandum to the Union Minister urging him not to disintegrate Manipur by the final outcome of the Naga peace talks. Union Minister Amit Saha also assured them of the same. However, Sunil Karam expressed dissatisfaction with the Union Home Minister's assurance and asserted that Kokomi will hold a public meet on the 29th of November to decide on the next necessary measures.
Hiding over Puching Stuttering Manapoina, Aina hiding Siki Wang on the top of Taragadi, Manipur Gimiamna, Satanimba, Tokodimuka, any agitation, Kaibulati, Heva, Supumaki Yamna, Hazapayavo, Maki, my KDP, return to the Hana, education, Kanagama, people like it, other Maramarkan, Hazabu, Haibo, Hamakuta Maramarkana, Hosik was Kariguma, Yamna Palmer, Tanmatu, Pirakavanina, Hanagi, Assurance of Pirkusan, Sina Maramarkana, Manipur, a quick kind of penning I waited, I don't know Maramarkana, a quick Manipur Miam, Punamona, a quick Miam, Punamona, Loden and Saliba, performing a Hani Kunjam. Thorom Singado, Amata home like they have seen a Tanzani, I took a Lonano, housing a quick where even comes the Langutan, Kulgama Banda, a quick Manipur, Niam, Yaroga, Makatava, Karamba, period, not a Karamba, Makatava, Tosil Torang, Tominaga have said, Puna, what a period, Tomina Badugi, a quick Makati Manipur, Miamda, Sarukabinava, Apiltoje.
MPCC has criticized the ruling government and the state leaders of lacking proper coordination. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, MPCC media panelist Oinam Navakishore asserted that the Chief Minister and the Education Minister has assured that CAB will not harm Manipur in any manner, while Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan has recently assured of moving the Parliament House to add a protection clause in the Citizenship Amendment Bill. He criticized the difference in the state leaders' comment and demanded the state government to take a firm resolution with regard to the contentious bill. Taking part in the press meet, media panelist A.R. Khan condemned Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan for his alleged communally toned remark during an event held at Kairao on 23rd of November. He demanded clarification from the MP for the same.
Honorable MP R.K. Ranjan Sanam Sandro ke program se da lauthoi economic stability leitre hai aduga ngarang gi function da Honorable Chief Minister Sri N Biren na Chingmeirong gi kabui khulda haribana koi Manipur gi economy se yam phare tax collection se more than 1000 crore leire aduga state ki gross domestic product se 8% da growth leire aina haire azmain tawna from the MP na ma haiba Chief Minister na ma haiba BJP gi manung sida su coordination again wali haibe khudam dong leiba
state road bhangdringai mamang kaya degi Pangansi, Marie, Mari, Marika, than a sum life. Honorable MP Pondok Ningbiri Wafamsi, Pangal or Uki or Nepali or any, MLA Masinsi, Hengat Nakarakodu population, illegal oiba, immigrant Yamalak, Oi, Rakpani, Hining Bagiwara, confusion Namamayam, the Prazada, create Tobagum Tawi, community singing Marakta, misunderstanding talk by Abasing Chip Tabagum Tobasi, Quiggy, Divok Tinning I knew a pump sheet, Shendohaningo, a pump knee, Karibu Squay, Ragasu, Madu, Soy Kibani, I apologize Toba. Soy the war again, my seeing Namasi, Hangan, do I Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, demand of Zeri.
Members of Iho Yakasang Club carried out alert protest meet under the initiative of a coordinating committee Ziribam on Manipur integrity COCJMI against disintegration of Manipur by the final outcome of Naga peace talk at Chandrapur in Jiribam district today. The protesters chanted various slogans demanding to keep the state's territorial integrity intact. Manipur held the state-level Constitution Day celebrations to mark the adoption of the Indian Constitution by the Constituent Assembly on this day in 1949 at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifle. Speaking at the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar stressed on the need for every Indian citizen to be aware of the Indian Constitution as one's duty. He maintained that the fundamental duties were framed as citizens often claimed their fundamental rights without knowing their duties. Yumnam Joykumar asserted that one can be a true citizen only when one is fully aware of the Constitution. The Deputy Chief Minister laid top government and police officials in reciting the preamble in the Indian Constitution at the event. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar and Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemjan jointly released the Indian constitutional book written in English and Manipuri medium on the occasion.
We do not really go into the constitution. We must try to understand the difference between the American type of government in the other American democracy. It is a presidential form of government. Parliamentary form of government. American judicial system, judicial system, judicial system is unitary. America is aduna my state law judicial system. Indeed, we must understand, we must try to go through other constitution, must various aspects, and try to appreciate. Will be a better citizen.
Manipur State Legal Service Authority along with District Legal Service Authority Imphal West and East organized a cycle rally on the occasion of the 70th Indian Constitution Day today. Secretary of District Legal Service Authority Khairakpam Nirojit flagged off the rally from the Thambal Khong Government Junior High School ground. Altogether, 50 volunteers participated in the rally which concluded at Palace Compound. Sahitya Thaupangluk Imphal kick off a 3-day, the 7th Imphal Literature Festival on the theme The Role of Writers in Protecting the Territorial Integrity of Manipur at Hindi Parisad Hall, All Assembly Road today. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of the organizing committee of the festival, Sarat Chand Thiam, stressed that Imphal Literature Festival is being celebrated since 2013 on various themes. He maintained that altogether 3 writers and poets from the Tripura and Bangladesh are participating in the event. Sarachan Thiam maintained that literary exchange will take place between writers from various parts of India and abroad during the festival. The 2nd and 3rd day of the festival will be held at Kakching and Moirang respectively. A symposium on the theme of the festival was also conducted on the occasion.
Bangladesh maming leiraba kabi ahumamsu hairiba festival asida bhaiton mukho yauri Tripura desu yauri masigi akhoi yamna nungaijaba amana kaino haikanda Bangladesh ta leiriba aiba singduda akhoi Manipur da leiriba aiba singi marakta akhoi Manipur da leiriba aiba singsu loan gi damak saita gi damak irai bak ponhol na akhoi su leirib se akhoi na mukoi da khangani masigi message Bangladesh kanguna porong sakhidoini sumain tora akhoi exchange ama irai pa iram dang gi nuksi ba leibse Imphal Literature Festival sina thong ama oiraga malengi mafam kari yogin
Acting on a tip of a Kaching District Commando team, including women police personnel, arrested a women drug peddler in possession of 60 SP tablet capsules this morning. The miscreant is Mrs. Amina alias Painu Lamkang, wife of Sukur from Sora Market. The police team, under the supervision of Kaching District Police Superintendent of Police Victoria Yengkomd, arrested her during a search operation at Sora Market. She was handed over to Kaching Police Station and a case has been registered against her. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis resigning from his post. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Primetime English News. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has resigned from his post. Devendra Fadnavis submitted his resignation letter to Governor Bhagat Singh Koshari this evening. Addressing a press conference in Mumbai, Fadnavis said he took the resolution after his government lost majority following NCP leader Ajit Pawar's resignation from Deputy Chief Minister post earlier today. He said the BJP will not indulge in house trading and will act as a responsible opposition. Meanwhile, sources said Uddhav Thackeray is likely to be interim Chief Minister of Maharashtra. It may be mentioned that earlier in the day, the Supreme Court directed that the floor test in the Maharashtra Assembly for Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis to prove his majority in the Assembly will be conducted tomorrow. The apex court had also directed Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshari to ensure that all elected members of the House are sworn in tomorrow itself and to complete the entire exercise by 5 p.m. A bench comprising Justice N.V. Ramana, Ashok Bhushan and Sanjeev Khanna also said the entire proceeding has to be telecast live. The bench added that the voting in the Assembly shall not be on the basis of secret ballot.
भारत वर्षसिना ख्वाइदगी चौबा फिफ्थ इकोनॉमी ओइनी इन लाइफसे
Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium along with Fresh.com held a training program exclusively for farmers on information and communication technology, ICT and Electronic National Agriculture Market (ENAM) Agricultural Technology Applications at Youth Hotel Conference in Kumalampak today. Speaking at the event, Chief Conservator of Forests T.H. Mohendra Pratap said that the government has initiated various schemes for the welfare of farmers. He lauded the central government for aiming to double farmers' income by 2020. Mahendra Pratap asserted that the training program will greatly facilitate farmers in enhancing their economic conditions. Taking part in the event, the project coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MD Kaidam, said that farmers are facing issues with regards to crop selection and marketing systems. He also asserted that the central and state government have provided various agricultural equipments to facilitate farmers of the state. MD Kaidam assured that ENAM will give help better marketing opportunities for farmers to sell their product online, while the ICT will aid the farmers in the crop selection and enhancing agricultural productivity. Principal Scientist, Seed Technology of ICAR Northeast Manipur Center Lamfeld, Dr. I. Megachandra, Head of KVK Thaubald, Drs. Jeshmarani Sarangthem, and many people took part in the event.
कोई भारत वर्ष से ना क्वाइटी चौबा फिफ्थ इकोनॉमी वही इन लाइफ से क्वाइटी मरुब तौदांग दी कोई लोमी चिनाव सिंह सिने कोई मणिपुर से तुम सरकार की थबक तो मी से लाख में फाट तो बड़ी अचौबा पॉपुलेशन सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी दी कोई थकपीरिबा कोई हिंगमलीबा कोई लोमी चिनाव सिंह सिने अन मुई फिल्म से पंदब यादी हाइबगी कोई सरकार ना कोई पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम अमा स्कीम कैमरम सेंगलगा ngasi di कोई मांग तादना ले रहे फार्मर सिंह से फंड के हेप्तार दे कोई इकोनॉमी फंड के कोई लेबाक की प्रजा सिंह से मसामु फोना कोई चौखट लेबाक सिंह लमजेन तानगे है दो तौगे है तारदी कोई करीब खोंगथांग खरदी लोकत पता है
सिगी एप्लीकेशन सिना खोइना दिन ताब मतम दसु हार्वेस्ट हो मतम दसु यूम गे है मतम दसु पुरमक सिखरन बंगम में सिनी होसी आईसीटी हारिसे अदुगा इना माइरसी आइन होजे हाजगे बा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक नेशनल एग्जाम मार्केट हाइबनी सिगी स्कीम asi अखोइना फार्मर अमना यूम द फम माइ पोसे योन बे हांदोरिन फार्मर्स प्रोड्यूसर्स सिंगना बैक front door से इखुन लेदोल बसी virtual office ने सी इनाम हाइडी से
Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry H. Chauba stressed the need to revise price of milk in the state to ease cattle farmers. He was speaking at the National Milk Day observance organized by Manipur Milk Producers Cooperative Union Limited at Central Dairy Plant in Porompat today. Director H. Chauba stressed on the need to increase milk production as it is an essential item for a balanced diet, stating that cattle rearing and prices of fodders have increased in recent years. The veterinary director stressed the need to revise the price of milk. He maintained that a central program for growing fodders has been launched in the state. Taking part in the event, Joint Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, N.G. Ibotombi, highlighted the inconveniences facing cattle owners due to frequent band in the state. He urged those concerned to exempt those in dairy business from band or strikes.
Masaga Pita Honorable Prime Minister na Mamangi September tang tramatwita FMD tika taraga wait without 25 mutat na basigiga adidi san masaka pagi siga artificial insemination sig matang sada koi si am kanna hujik si sathari da koi sex sorted cement amom pon baya ba cement akoi de lere project officer ICT bisu am chogu thawdang am su lobiri ada loina mak is and everywhere ka padi ngam de koi na singi oi ba tangai pataba demonstration purpose yamna koi khanghan na ba honna ba farmers sing de gyan da hanna ba awareness create tongna ba koi na dos kara leibani da koi na mayam gi normally ka pcd lab na tra mom pok ya ba ka pcd pakun nga de ni duga cd lising amaga som jamri singam samsani piyo sing matak loi piyo dos mat adu sohen ro yaraga di sohen ningdri bu am pajana soi de na ba kapningi bu so koi lere.
One-day training program on extraction of fiber from banana pseudostem was held at the hold of MMRC and Unity Park in Kangabok today. Blooming Foundation Kangabok sponsored the program under the initiative of Waivers Celled BJP Manipur Pradesh and Directorate of Handloom and Textile Government of Manipur. Social worker and founder of MMRC and Unity Park, Menzor Mangang, banana fiber demonstrator and Victoria, convener of Waivers Celled BJP Manipur Pradesh, Laimayum Ongbi Sorojini, project manager of Handloom and Textile Thobald, CH Rebecca, attended the event. And Victoria demonstrated on how to extract fibers from banana pseudostem to the women attendees. Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU, in a press release has condemned the increment of tuition fees at Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi. MUSU has asserted that increase in the public university fees create inconvenience to the students, especially to those coming from poor economic backgrounds. Bengal Students' Union of Dhanamanjuri University has also condemned the hike in fees at Jawaharlal Nehru University. Cine Artists and Technicians Association CATA Manipur, under the initiative of Entertainment Society of Goa, is showcasing a collection of old Manipuri cinema as part of Golden Jubilee edition of the ongoing International Film Festival of India IFFI 2019, Asia's first film festival held at Panaji in Goa. The festival will continue till November 28. The priceless collections, including vinyl LP record, filmed posters, filmed brochures, old on-screens and off-screens photographs and books based on Manipuri cinema. Altogether, 250 movies of 76 countries will be showcased at the festival. Parents of the baby show competition held for Imphal West today stormed the Family Welfare Department, citing unfair conduct of the event. Health Director and Family Welfare Officer Imphal West said errors occurred from the department side. It may be mentioned that baby show competitions were held in every district of the state on November 19, and a state-level competition was held at IMA Hall in Lumfield for the selected babies from the district-wise competition. Competition was held again for the babies of Imphal West at RD Wing Complex, Lumfield today. People stormed the office as the competitions again selected new winners today.
अशोभिजे कोई सोंगी तार इसान लग जाजे पेरेंट्सिंग की अबा मधी गई नोदा करी मरम की दमकता नामुक फास्ट तारंबा अंगांग सिंह दो कमदौना ngasi की सिदैदा तारक्तबनो हाइबसिनी अदो अखोइने यंगजब कांदा मार्किंग दो नामुक की दुदैदा खरा सोइरंबा उबदगी तसेंगनमक अखोइना अचुंबदु तौनिंगबगी अनौबा जज नामुक की जज सिंह दु नतबा अनौबा जज खलकांदा मोगी इंडिपेंडेंट ओइना
कोई इंक्वायरी में तौर को अदुबदे कोई तीग के होजी होजी की ओइना मयाम सोमदसु गाइनरमिना सोमदसु अदु पीद्री अदुबदि थीजन गेबो यारे खरा सेकर लेगरे.
Health Director Dr. K. Razzo and Family Welfare Officer Imphal West T. Nilakanta has stated that error occurred in the marking system of the competition.
हंगे रीजन से कई गिनो हाना फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड तागी बुदुना कयाम न हेन सोइरम मिनो अहुमक अंबो यावरक्ट्री से अदुगा हंदकिसना कमाइना तौरिनो हैव द रीजन पियु यादे रीतवे रीजन सु पियु यादे अदुगा ngasi अनौब खनबे रीजन सु पियु यादे
मतुंगदा सिगुंबा अमोदपा सिंगसे अखोइगी इसा इनाउ सिंगदा थोक्तनबा हाइतारे अखोइ टाइटल लौद्रसु आई स्टेट लेवल की तसेंगना हायरगदे आई स्टेट लेवल की जे आई हुजिक पार्टिसिपेट तौबा पामद्रे आई पामदे तसेंगना आई याउनिंगदे अखोइदि मार्क लेरबनी इसाना इसा इथंदा डिप्रेस तौजरे यावबसु पामदे यावरगे सुम खले अदुगा डिपार्टमेंटना मोलिबसे सी सेंगदोपा खक्तंगने आइना पाममिस.
Manipur's promising designer Arvind Tourism has bagged the iconic Best National Costume Award at Mrs. Icon World 2019, held on the themed Walk and Talk for a Coast yesterday. India's eminent designer Rohit Verma handed over the award to Arvind Tourism in the event held at the Club Mumbai in Andheri West, Mumbai. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Kokomi expresses dissatisfaction with Home Minister Amit Shah's assurance on protection of Manipur's integrity. MPCC criticizes state government and its leaders of lacking proper coordination, leading to confusions for public. Manipur observe a National Constitution Day. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar urges all to be fully aware of the Indian Constitution. And Sahitya Thaupang Loop Imphal kicks off a 3-day 7th Imphal Literature Festival that Hindi Parisat holds, Old Assembly Road.